Hello everyone, welcome to JK Dent Ease. Today we are going to learn about retainers. Retainers are broadly divided into three main types. First is extracoronal retainers, intracoronal retainers, which are further divided into inlay and onlay. And the third is radicular retainers, which includes prefabricated post and custom-made post. We will study in detail about extracoronal retainers. Extracoronal retainers gives coverage from the outer area. It is further divided into two main types: full coverage and partial coverage. Full coverage includes all metal, all ceramic, and metal ceramic, while partial coverage is divided into four main types: 3/4 crown, 4/5 crown, reverse 3/4 crown, and 7/8 crown. We will study each one by one. First is 3/4 crown. As you all know, anterior teeth have 5 surfaces, but we are not including the incisal surface while calculating our preparation. All 4 surfaces are facial, lingual, mesial, and distal. In 3/4 preparation, we are leaving the facial surface intact for the purpose of aesthetics, and all other surfaces are covered. Hence the name is given as 3/4. Next is 4/5 crown. In the 4/5 crown there are 5 surfaces. In this case we are including the occlusal surface also. Preparation is similar for in cases with premolars. Here also facial surface is left intact while all other surfaces are prepared. Then comes reverse 3/4 crown. Reverse 3/4 crown, as the name suggests, it is reverse of that of 3/4. Here the lingual surface is left intact. It is generally given in cases of severe inclination, mainly indicated with mandibular teeth. Then comes 7/8 crown. Here the mesiobuccal cusp is left intact, that is, one part among all surfaces is left. It is generally indicated in cases of maxillary first molars. For the purpose of aesthetics and various other functional purposes, this kind of preparations are being done. For the preparation, there is requirement of an occlusal offset. So what is an occlusal offset? It is a 1 mm ledge created on the lingual inclines of the buccal cusp, connecting the proximal grooves. So while preparation, we are making proximal grooves and one inverted V-shaped ledge is connecting that grooves. This is done mainly to provide casting rigidity. Now we will move on to full coverage. Full coverage is divided into all metal and all ceramic. As the name suggests, they are completely made up of ceramic or they are completely made up of metal. But what is metal ceramic? In the metal ceramic, the facial area is made with ceramic while the lingual area is made with metal. Here I have covered in very short format. For more such videos, please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe to my channel.